Hey there, my name is Dr. Leah Brown. This is Boston, and here's Lincoln. Lincoln, come say hi. Hello. And we're gonna take you on a no makeup, no filter tour of my actual garden on December 2nd. It's 34 degrees. We're in Texas, so we're zone 8A, and this is no filter as it is, no makeup tour. Here's what it looks like. Boo! Hi! Alright, here's my pink camellia. Came from Mississippi. It's starting to bloom. We lost one bloom already. Here we go. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Yeah, look at all those blooms. Is that so pretty? Yeah. That's beautiful, huh? It smells good? Yeah. Good job. Okay, let's show them the cast iron plant. This is a transplant from my husband's aunt's house in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. It's a cast iron. It's doing really great. It smells good. Yeah, good job. All right, let's show them some more. Let's show them some more stuff. There's my mosquito dunk bucket over there. I need to dump it out now that mosquito season's over. Oh, yeah, this is a Yuletide camellia. I'm not sure this one's gonna make it. There's no flowers on it, huh? Let's go see two more that are just like that one. Let's go see. Boo! Hello! Oh yeah, I don't know if this one's gonna make it either. Yeah. This one maybe, I don't know if this one's gonna make it. We'll see. Let's go look at that one. Boss, will you go let Boo out? You let Boo outside? Thank you, baby. Here's my Turk's cap. Got some frost last night, but this is a new one. There's one of my Yuletide camellias. I got 3. This one is half alive. That one over there, I don't think made it. This one's half alive, and the one over there is the one that's happiest. It's blooming. Lincoln, you want to show them? Show them that azalea. See, look at the flower. You want to smell the flower? It smell good? Yeah, it smells good, huh? Yeah, it smells good. Red flowers. Yeah. All right, let's go see some more. Over here we have a giant rose bush. It's 2 years old. This one is the same kind, and that one is the same. Put them in at the same time. Okay, we gotta let the dog out. You get him? Is he coming? Okay, take 2. Dog toys everywhere. Lots of poop. Wow. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta show him this one. This is a Texas star hibiscus. We had one more bloom that was gonna come, but the frost came. Look at these leaves. Are they so beautiful? Yeah. And the red stalks in the winter. Yeah, it's red. Look at that. Is that so beautiful? Yeah. Wow. See, this one blooms big red blooms, huh? Yeah, that one's beautiful. Yeah. Isn't that pretty? All right, let's go show them some more. What should we find next? Over here? Okay. Oh yeah, look, another of the same red star hibiscus right there. And then right here, trying to climb up this trellis, is a jessamine. We've got some climbing roses right here. Okay, this one, yeah, that's a Turk's cap. You see the little fruit? A little fruit right there. Spanish apple. You can eat it. It's yummy. Yeah. You want to eat it? Yeah. Is that yummy? Thank you. Lincoln, want to eat it?
Mom.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Another one. Yeah. Hey, look. Let's go show them these red flowers on the camellia over here. Look right here. Ooh. camellia is blooming. Look at that. This is a Yuletide camellia from HEB. Is that beautiful? Look at those red flowers.
Mom.
Wow. Oh, you found some more? You want to eat those? Yeah. Okay, let's take them on a tour. Let's go through the arch. Let's follow Georgia. Let's go this way. Come on. Let's follow Georgia. Let's go this way, Lincoln. Boo. I'm gonna go in the house. I see you. Boo. I see you.
Mom.
Peekaboo.
Mom.
I see you. Oh, thank you. Let me hold it. Let's find Lincoln. Where's Lincoln? There he is. Peekaboo. He's back by the bamboo fence. Hello. I see you. Is he a doggy? Let's go see him. There's a fence back there. Is there a doggy back there? Yeah. Okay, so along this fence line, we've got bamboo. And we've got this. I'm blanking on the name right now. It's getting so big it's falling down off the fence. Whee! All right, let's prop it up right here. Yeah. All right. There we go. Oh, there. Okay, we've got... Oh! Uh-oh, you okay? All right, we've got bamboo growing back here. We've got a line of sunshine ligustrum and chase tree and crepe myrtle along this whole hedge. Is those alternating. There's Georgia the golden right here. I just put in these abelias. They're so sweet. Here's one with some flowers on it. Is that funny? Should we go show him some more? Okay, let's go show him some more. This is George's mud path. Oh, a ligustrum. You like that one? That one beautiful? Yeah. They smell good. Let's go show him some more. All right, this was my Gara Cosmo patch, which got frosted. Time for that to come out. We've got, oh, a dog toy that's been dug up like a fossil. Here we've got a new addition. We've got some Indian hawthorns around a knockout rose. Will be a focal point. Uh-oh, wipe out. We've got this squash blossom or pumpkin blossom. You jumped over it. Good jump. I don't remember what I planted, but we'll see if it survives the frost. Yay, yay. You smell it? Okay, let's go see some more stuff. Over here. Peekaboo. I see you, Lincoln. Lincoln. Boo. Over here, we've got a swamp magnolia and another mosquito dung bucket. This is a wet corner, so we got a swamp magnolia here with all the moisture. Let's go show them some more. A chase tree, some ginger, azaleas, my poor elephant ears that were beautiful a few weeks ago. Totally got frosted, but they have really cool things down there. Got to figure out what that is. My beautiful roses. These are my favorite, Belinda's Dream. This bush is now about 12 feet tall. Put it in 2 years ago. Got more roses, magnolia. Here's the path to the back rose garden. Georgia! Shh. Okay, we love this part of the garden. Wow. This beautiful trellis with ladybanks on top. Look at that. Wow! Got a crepe myrtle that the previous owners put in. What'd you see? Hello! Yay! Okay, let's go show them some more flowers.
Whoa.
Wow! Let's go see some more flowers. You see some more? Can you find a red one? Oh, there's a red flower. Good job. All right. We've got roses, some sage. Oh, that one smells good. That's a Lincoln rose right there. I'm coming, baby. Hold on. I'm coming. Just a minute. 1 minute. We've got more pink roses. Everything's a little frosty right now. And then that I need to trim back. But anyway. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, look at that. You gonna go scoop some poop? Let's go scoop some poop. Come on. I love this lady Banks. She grows so fast. Go, go, go. Okay, so I'm working on this path. It's gonna weave through the backyard. And we're gonna have more flowers here. Some native plants over here. Hop, hop, hop. Uh-oh, that's the end of the path. We gotta get some more squares, huh? All right, let's go show them this way. Let's go this way. Come on, Lincoln. All right. Here was my butterfly paradise. Cosmos do not like the cold. Back here on the porch, we've got Bella. Then we've got 2 blue cypress, one here and one here. Put in at the same time, and this one's much taller. Okay, let's show them. What are we gonna show them now? Gonna show them some more? Oh, should we show them the ball? Yeah, that's a cool ball. Oh, thank you. Good throw. Hey, I smell poop. Did somebody step in poop, or does somebody have a poopy diaper? Poop? Do you have poop? Bubba have a poopy ball. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good job. Yeah. All right. Okay, so that's a tour of our backyard garden, Zone 8A, with no makeup, dog poop, screaming kiddos, and water cans on the floor. What's up, baby? Oh, we gotta go scoop some poop, huh? Yeah, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Lincoln, don't eat the dog treats. Those are for the dogs. Those are for Boo. Yeah, give it to Boo. All right, boss, that's enough. Let's go. Okay, we have our dog treat station here. Hot Wheels cars need to refill. Got a little free library and art gallery. I need to check. We've got roses along the front with chase trees. Okay, let's show them. Let's go this way. Let's go on this path. Hop, hop, hop. Got some firepower nandinas that are bright red color. Hop, hop, hop. Come on, Boo. We go through this arch that's going to be covered by Peggy Martin and white iceberg roses by next year. Into this little courtyard surrounded by nandinas and ligustrum and magnolia and redbud trees. We've got seating, stone crop, getting started between the tiles. Another arch to give it the full courtyard effect. If you go through this way, we've got the city water meter thing under here. This is to block my toddlers from going in the neighbor's driveway. We've got messy native patch over here. This I need to clean up, but we've got sage, roses, crepe myrtle, ligustrum, some Boston ivy, Texas sage. This was another zinnia patch that was killed by the frost. Need to pull those out. We've got Peggy Martin growing up here and Zephyrine Jaheen roses up here. Through the courtyard. More over here, we've got more Zephyrine Jaheen and some jessamine, ligustrum, native plants all around the courtyard. This was my zinnia patch. Looks sad right now, but anyway, we've got ligustrum. This arch has lady banks on this side with white iceberg roses, and on this side we've got, why am I blanking on the name? My brain is cold. Honeysuckle growing up this side, and then we've got ligustrum for color with sage going this way. the toddler zone. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. We've got very frosty patch of sage, rudbeckia, marigold. Hey, don't crash the dog. Don't crash the dog. Some rudbeckia that are still alive. Got some moms that have been dug up by children. More moms. A nice chase and crepe myrtle. Some pink sage. And a native garden. This is a thornless blackberry. Lincoln, Boo, come back. This was a huge zinnia patch. We've got a little pathway to the neighbor's house. We come over all the time. Got butterfly bushes, a pomegranate tree. Look at this. These pomegranates are so beautiful. Look at that. Almost ready to pick. And here's another one over here. Pomegranates do so great here. Butterfly bushes, muley grass, some roses, sage, rudbeckia, and then this is my favorite. This is Artemisia. It's so beautiful, smells so great. Hey, don't crash it, boss. And I'm gonna line the whole driveway in this Artemisia. It's like a silvery blue-green, so beautiful. View from this side, we've got more of the Artemisia over here. And some heather something. Hey, don't crash mama plants. And some purple sacred something. Anyway, bye. Got frost on the roof, the magnolia that needs to be planted, and my toddler Christmas tree.